Hello, everyone. Now we are looking at a DRG-based reimbursement calculation. This is how hospitals actually get paid under a diagnosis-related drug system, and specifically how add-on adjustments like IME can affect what a hospital collects for a single case. Let's walk through it. Here's our scenario. The question I have added. A patient is assigned DRG-003, which carries a relative weight of 18.5. This weight reflects how resource intensive this diagnosis is compared to an average case. The hospital's base rate, also called the conversion factor, is $5,200. On top of that, this hospital qualifies for a 5% IME adjustment, which stands for indirect medical education. This is an add-on payment that teaching hospitals receive to help cover the added cost of training residents and running academic programs. So the question is, what's the total expected reimbursement for this single case? Let's calculate it. As you can see, I've already written the items, DRG relative weight, hospital base rate, IME adjustments that were given, 18.5, $200 and 5%. These are the things we have to calculate: base tariff, adjustment amount, and total reimbursement. The first step is the base tariff. This is simply the DRG relative weight multiplied by hospital's base rate. What we're going to do is equals DRG relative weight multiplied by hospital's base rate. It is $96,200. This is the core payment before any adjustments. Next, I need the adjustment amount, the extra 5% IME added on. I calculate this by multiplying the base tariff by the IME adjustment percentage. This gives us $96,200 times 5%, which is equals $4,810. Finally, the total reimbursement is just the base tariff added by the adjustment amount. I've done a mistake here. We have to add base tariff with the adjustment amount. Am I right? Correct. So the final answer is $101010. The hospital total expected reimbursement for this case is $101,010. It's worth pointing out how the two components work together. The base tariff of $96,200 reflects the actual clinical complexity of case through the DRG weight, while the for $4,810 IME adjustment is a policy-driven add-on that has nothing to do with the patient's condition. It exists purely to support teaching hospitals' broader mission. This is an example of how real-world reimbursement isn't just wait times rate. Adjustment factors like IME or in other systems, things like DSH payments, sit on top of the base calculation and can meaningfully increase what a hospital actually collects for the same clinic case.